Hello and welcome to my channel on English grammar. In my previous video, I had emphasized the importance of parts of speech. I had told you why we should study parts of speech. I had also promised that I'll discuss the parts of speech one by one in the upcoming videos. So here I am to discuss with you nouns, the types of nouns, and the concept of number, which is associated with nouns. Number has two types, as you know, singular and plural. And you should also know that if you want to understand singular, plural, you must know the types first. What are the types? But don't worry, I'm not going to tell you all those types which are 5, 6, 7, I don't know what, I don't even remember. I will draw your attention, I will help you understand only 3 types of nouns. So without much ado, let's have a look. The 2 examples that I have taken of a bird flies, and I have changed them into plural. A bird flies becomes birds fly. A girl plays is girls play. So in the first one, the noun is bird, it becomes birds. In the second one, the noun is girl, it becomes girls. If you recall, in my previous video on parts of speech, I had mentioned that nouns have 2 forms, with S and without S. So that is what I want to begin with. Nouns have 2 forms. They are either with S or without S. But are all the nouns with S and without? Let's have a look. Again, we'll try to change these sentences into plural. The first one is, a bird sings. And when we change it into plural, it becomes birds sing. The second one is, ice melts. And change it into plural. No, you can't change because ice remains the same. It has only one form. Ice also is a common noun like bird, but it has only one form. It doesn't have 2 forms like bird. And the same is the case with Mohan. It can't change. You can't say Mohan's laugh. So the answer to the question is no. All the nouns do not have 2 forms. There are others, there are some nouns which have only one form. They don't change. So now the question is, so which are the nouns which have 2 forms and which are those which have only one form? Which are those which have S and without S? And which are those which have only one form? There is no S form, whatever you call it. I mean, that's what I'm saying, because S form I'm using because I'm not giving you the technical names. I'm not, I don't want to, first of all, tell you the jargons or the difficult terms. So again, the examples. A bird sings, of course, birds sing. The same examples are there, and Mohan laughs and ice melts. So bird has 2 forms, but Mohan and ice are having only one form each, as we know. So bird, which is having 2 forms, is called a countable noun. While ice, which is also common, a common noun like bird, but it is called uncountable noun because it cannot change. It cannot be changed into plural. And Mohan is a proper noun because it's the particular name of a person. And as you see, like bird, there are many other countable nouns. We already know there's a large number. The common ones I can tell you, like student, boy, girl, etc. ice, you can have like sugar, water, milk, oil. Similarly, Mohan, you have Delhi, India, and so many other places. Uh, then we go to the next. So, what are the countables with S and without S called? So, we have already seen that there are three types of nouns. I had told you that I'll tell you the types. So, I'll tell you about the types of nouns first, and then we'll come to the next concept, and that is of number. So, we'll focus now only on the countables because countables have two forms. Uncountables and proper have one form each. So coming back to the countables, what are the countables with S and without called? And let's see that. A boy shouts, that becomes boys shout. A horse runs, horses run. So those with S are called plural and those without S are called singular. So these are the term. Singular, like boy or horse, stands for one, and plural, boys, horses, or any other plural, they stand for more than one. Now, we've seen that we change the singular to plural with the addition of S till now. But are plurals always with S? Do we change singular to plural with S only? Let's have a look at the examples. A horse runs, that becomes horses run. You add just a S here. Man cries becomes men cry. There is no change with the addition of S. So this is an exception. A student studies becomes a students study. So that is fine. S is added. But a tooth shines become teeth shine. So here again, tooth becomes teeth. So that means all the plurals are not there with S. That means there are some plural nouns which follow other rules. They don't follow the rules in which we add S or ES for making plural. So what are they called? So those with S are called regular plurals and others are called irregular plurals. So that is all from my side. Thank you and goodbye. But before I wind up, I would request you to see the comment box. I'm going to share only a few exercises for you to check what you've understood here by listening to the video, by watching the video. So thank you so much.